When it comes to WordPress hosting, Bluehost and SiteGround are two of the most popular choices. But which one is truly better for your WordPress site? Stick around as we break down the pros and cons of each, and by the end, you'll know which one is right for you, or if there's even a better alternative. Let's start with Bluehost. It's widely known for its user-friendly setup, especially for beginners. If you're new to WordPress, Bluehost offers an intuitive interface and easy one-click WordPress installations. They also provide 24/7 customer support, which can be a lifesaver if you're just starting out. Their pricing is competitive too, with an affordable entry-level plan. Next thing, speed and performance. Bluehost, while good, doesn't quite stand out in terms of performance. It's a reliable option, but it doesn't offer the speed optimizations that some other hosts bring to the table. If you're running a more resource-heavy site or expect high traffic, you might notice slower speeds as your site grows. Moving on to SiteGround. SiteGround has built a strong reputation for customer support, and it's often touted as having the best in the business. Their response times are impressive, and they offer specialized WordPress support that can make troubleshooting much easier. SiteGround also includes managed WordPress hosting, meaning they take care of updates, backups, and security automatically. Now, let's talk speed. SiteGround's performance is where they really shine. They use cutting-edge technology like SSD storage and a custom caching system that significantly speeds up your website. If you're serious about optimizing your site's speed and performance, SiteGround offers superior value in this area compared to Bluehost. Next thing, pricing. SiteGround is more expensive than Bluehost, especially when you renew your hosting plan. This can catch some users off guard when they see the renewal rates. While you get excellent performance and support, the price hike can be a bit of a deal breaker for those on a tight budget. The fourth thing to consider is security. Both Bluehost and SiteGround offer SSL certificates, daily backups, and strong security features. However, SiteGround takes it a step further with additional tools like proactive bot protection and more robust firewall management. If security is a top priority for you, SiteGround has the edge here. So, which is the better choice? Bluehost is a solid, budget-friendly option that's perfect for beginners who need simplicity and ease of use. SiteGround, on the other hand, is a more premium option, delivering faster speeds and superior customer support. But here's the thing, both are good options, but neither is perfect. If you're looking for something that combines ease of use, great performance, and solid customer support without breaking the bank, I'd recommend checking out a different hosting provider. After trying out all of these options, I've found a better alternative that really delivers on all fronts for WordPress hosting. If you want to get the best of both worlds, take advantage of the exclusive free trial by clicking the first link in the description. This will give you access to top-tier hosting and exclusive benefits that you won't get anywhere else.